Hey AI enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode of All About AI Tech. Today's topic is absolutely electrifying. It's Meta's Llama 3, the new kid on the block that's sending shockwaves throughout the AI world. This isn't just another LLM. It's potentially a paradigm shift, offering seriously impressive capabilities while being completely open source. We're going to unpack everything Llama 3 brings to the table, discussing its strengths, weaknesses, and overall implications for the future of generative AI. So buckle up, because this is a deep dive you won't want to miss. Picture this, a futuristic cityscape shimmering with holographic projections, a close-up of Llama 3's complex neural network firing on all cylinders, and a sleek, modern interface showing a user interacting seamlessly with the AI. Let's talk about what makes Llama 3 such a game-changer. The thing that sets Llama 3 apart is its genuinely impressive performance across a range of complex tasks. We're not just talking about simple text generation. This model tackles intricate problem-solving, advanced reasoning, and even sophisticated coding tasks with remarkable accuracy. Think of it this way. Llama 3 is the ultimate writing and coding assistant capable of generating creative stories, crafting complex code, and providing deeply insightful answers to questions that would stump most people. It even excels in areas like summarization and precise instruction following. Imagine Llama 3 as a highly skilled researcher, capable of sifting through mountains of data to extract only the relevant information, then summarizing it for you in a clear, concise manner. It's been trained on an absolute mountain of high-quality data, 15 trillion tokens, 7 times more than its predecessor, Llama 2. That's giving this model incredibly broad knowledge of language, history, code, and general world knowledge. Visual, a montage showcasing Llama 3's capabilities. Writing a compelling story, solving a complex math problem, generating clean and efficient code, summarizing a lengthy article, and precisely following intricate step-by-step instructions. Now, the big question everyone wants answered. How does Llama 3 stack up against the competition? Well, let me tell you, Llama 3 has made some serious strides. Meta itself has put out some remarkable benchmark results, showing its 70 billion parameter version rivaling and even exceeding similarly sized models like Google's Gemini and Anthropic's Claude. Remember, these benchmarks are just a glimpse, and the results vary depending on the test used and the individual prompt. That's why we're not just looking at the published figures. We're going to show you some independent comparisons across different AI tasks. We'll be looking at creative writing, complex problem-solving, coding challenges, and multilingual capabilities. How does Llama 3's text generation compare to models like GPT-4? Does it hold up under pressure when it comes to mathematical reasoning, or does it stumble when presented with nuanced logic problems? Is its language comprehension as sharp and precise, or does it fall short when working with other languages? We're going to show you firsthand and discuss the nuances. Visual, a side-by-side comparison of Llama 3's performance against GPT-4, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, and Microsoft Copilot for various tasks. Text overlay highlighting key differences and performance metrics. This is where things get truly revolutionary. Unlike many of its closed-source competitors, Llama 3 is completely open source. It's a groundbreaking move from Meta, and its implications are huge. First, it levels the playing field. It breaks down the barriers for developers and researchers who might not have access to the computational power needed to train their own models. It empowers all levels of users. This can accelerate innovation. Second, openness means enhanced transparency. This is a big deal given the ongoing concerns regarding data bias and safety in AI models. Because the code is accessible, a much larger community can review it for flaws, enhancing safety and prompting a faster pace of improvements. Think of it like this. Rather than relying on a single company to address potential issues, the entire AI community can collaborate on improving the model and resolving vulnerabilities. This speeds up innovation and makes it more reliable. But what about the drawbacks? Visual, a split screen comparing open-source Llama 3 and closed-source AI models. One side displays glowing, innovative ideas and collaborative developers. The other side depicts a lone, guarded server room with limited access and fewer people involved. The text overlay highlights the pros and cons of open versus closed source. While Llama 3 is a major accomplishment in the AI space, let's not kid ourselves. It's not without its limitations. Firstly, while impressive in its capabilities, it still doesn't reach the peak level of performance that we see with the most advanced, closed-source models. They have access to better quality or more data. This gap isn't necessarily a deal-breaker and might not matter much in terms of practical application, but users should be aware of and keep in mind the potential limitations. Second, being free and open does generate its own set of challenges, such as security risks or the liability issues around use of copyrighted data. Even though these concerns are often the primary reasons why some companies choose to go with closed-source models, this does not mean that open source won't eventually surpass closed models in almost every regard. However, users need to be aware of and prepared for these potential issues. Visual, a graphic highlighting Llama 3's limitations compared to GPT-4, a slightly lower performance score on certain benchmarks, and some security risks related to its open-source nature. Llama 3 is not just a game-changer because of its capabilities and open-source nature. It's a major competitor to OpenAI's tools like ChatGPT. Here's why we're seeing a surge in the popularity of open-source alternatives like Llama 3. Many enterprises are searching for alternatives to OpenAI given its recent leadership controversies and higher prices. Cost-effectiveness is a huge advantage, especially with organizations needing to implement many different AI tools across numerous departments. In addition to using the models locally, it offers better security and data control, reducing the chance of data leakage and improving compliance. The possibility of fine-tuning these models is another major advantage. Developers can adapt algorithms and training data to their own needs, creating hyper-personalized solutions. This is what has made Llama 2 so popular. Finally, the increasing concern around data provenance is pushing clients toward models where they can see what happened during training and how the models were developed. Visual, a comparison chart highlighting the key differences between Llama 3 and other leading AI chatbots, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, and Microsoft Copilot, focusing on cost, performance, safety, and other key factors. Include brief explanations of these other products. It's early days, to be sure, but it's exciting to think about what Llama 3 could mean for the future of AI. The power of this model is immense and far exceeding any other open-source alternative to date. Given the enthusiasm we're already seeing among developers and researchers, it's safe to expect Llama to keep innovating and improving in the coming years. Moreover, Meta itself has said it is working on models even larger than Llama 3. These next-gen models will unlock unprecedented capabilities across diverse fields, helping AI become part of our everyday lives. But for now, let's consider some immediate scenarios like the development of a broad variety of low-latency, high-quality open-source applications as a result of improved model access. We'll probably see new, more advanced RAG applications, improved local LLMs for enhanced privacy, and easier-to-use tools for customizing and deploying these models. The development of lower-cost, higher-quality open-source models will push everyone to improve their offerings and drive innovation more quickly. These trends will likely make AI accessible to a much larger proportion of users. We'll also see more emphasis on multimodality, with improved vision and audio capabilities. Visual, a montage portraying the many possibilities of the Llama models being improved across years, ranging from innovative interfaces on mobile and edge devices to highly advanced chatbot experiences with hyper-personalized, user-friendly interfaces. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Meta's Llama 3. This open-source model is a truly remarkable advancement in AI, offering unprecedented capabilities and opening up huge potential for innovation. With the open-source community working together, there is little doubt that we're only just scratching the surface in terms of what Llama 3 can do. Remember to like this video and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more updates on the latest breakthroughs in the field. And be sure to let us know in the comments below which LLM you think is the best and why. Let's keep this conversation going. Visual, a final graphic summarizing the key takeaways from the video, and an encouragement to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave comments.